In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix lag in Blox Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get better performance when you are trying to play Blox on mobile. The first thing that you have to do, and this is going to be by far the most important way to improve performance and fix lag, is to choose fast mode before picking a side. So when you join the experience, you will be able to pick a side, and below you have the option to enable fast mode. This is going to be, like I said, by far the best way of improving performance. What this is going to do is lower the quality of textures and models around the map, so you will immediately notice a difference. All of these textures and models are going to be extremely simplified, and by loading in easier assets, more basic assets, you are going to get better performance. So just go ahead, pick any side that you want to play, and while this can be a little bit distracting, if you are able to get used to how this looks, you are going to improve your performance a lot. So with this out of the way, as you saw, it is extremely simple to do. The next thing that you can do is to go into your settings. So tap the little Roblox icon at the top left corner of the screen, go into the settings, and scroll down until you get to the graphics mode. If it is set to automatic, usually you will be good to go. But if you want to ensure that you get the best performance possible, switch over to manual and lower the graphics quality all the way down. Doing this, of course, as you might expect, is going to give you more worse looking qualities and textures, but it is going to be another way of heavily improving performance when playing Blox or any other game on mobile. Now, the last thing that I want to bring up is you can close down applications that are open on the background. So open this window where you can see everything that is currently running on your phone, and if you have multiple things open on the background, as you can see here, make sure that you close all of them down. So for example, I'm not playing Minecraft at the moment, I'm not playing this game, and I don't want to watch YouTube. By closing down all the applications running on the background, there are going to be more resources and memory available for Roblox to use when trying to play Blox, significantly improving performance and making the experience much better. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix lag in Blox Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.